guys, this is Walter the Wildlife Adventure. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and congratulations to my new subscribers. Now today's episode we are at Nguuni Nature Sanctuary, and today's activity was birding at Nguuni Nature Sanctuary. This is one of the largest wetland within Nguuni Nature Sanctuary, and we have other four major wetlands, but this being the largest one. And welcome to, this is Walter, and my cameraman is Peter. We do our attachment here at Nguuni Nature Sanctuary. Now, some of the birds that you have spotted just right now are over there, the African open bill. We have down there the pied kingfisher. We have the long-tailed cormorant, and we have the whistling duck. And this wetland being the largest one, it has various bird species, because you know the interdependence between the wetland, the reeds here, and the water. And this being the varied place of different plant species, we find that the whistling duck have dominated this area. Yeah, so as we continue with our birding, please keep watching, and we hope you'll enjoy.
Ile ingine pale na ile pale ile white.
Ile white iko katikati.
Shida mrefu, lakini ile kuna shingo refu.
Welcome to Nguuni picnic site. Here again we have different shelters where one can enjoy, you know, having a birthday and more. So ukiwa na mtu wako mnakuja sherehe hapa, kuna campfire hapo, unaweza kuja na nyama yako uchome ulale. There also we have different shelters, now very complex one, and here there over is a tortoise boma, yeah. And here some of the animal species we have is the oryx, we have the Masai ostrich, yeah, and different plant species, you know. Just over there we have a common eland, yeah. And the aesthetic value of this picnic. Remember, Nguuni Nature is one of the picnics found in the Sandona. That's in Nguuni Nature Sanctuary.